Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today we are going to see 7th standard mathematics. The topic is ratio and proportions. In this the subtopic profit and loss we are going to see. Okay. Before going into the exercise, we need to know about cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Okay. Let's see the example. This is a book. Okay. I bought this book for 100 rupees. How much, children? 100 rupees. I bought this for 100 rupees. So this 100 rupees is represent cost price. What is this? Cost price. I gave 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. I buy this. Okay. So this one represent cost price. Cost price of your book is 100 rupees. Is it clear, children? See the next one. This cost price. I bought this book. This one I am going to selling to my friend or someone. Okay. How much rupees I am going to sell? 120 rupees I am going to sell. Okay. See here I bought this 100 rupees. I selling it for 120 rupees. Okay. I selling it. So is called it selling price. This is selling price. Okay. Now the cost price is 100 rupees. Selling price is 120. Now you compare these two prices. Which is greater, children? 100 or 120? 120 is greater. Okay. Here selling price is greater than the cost price. So this one represent profit. Okay. Here 100 rupees. Here 120 rupees. How much rupees profit, children? 20 rupees. How much? 20 rupees is profit for us. Okay. So next, the same cost price, okay, 100 rupees, but I am going to selling the price for rupees 80. 100 rupees I bought this book, I selling it 80 rupees. Okay. So now, which is greater, cost price or selling price, children? Cost price is greater. Cost price greater than the selling price. So this is called it as loss. What is this? Loss. Okay. What is the difference? 100 minus 80, 20 rupees loss. Do you understand, children? What is cost price? What is selling price? What is profit and loss? Is it clear, children? See the exercise sums. See the first question, children. Cost price equal to CP is represent cost price. SP is represent selling price. Okay. So cost price equal to rupees 560 and selling price equal to rupees 630. We need to find out profit or loss amount and profit or loss percentage also we need to find out. Okay, children. See here. First, we need to compare the cost price and selling price. Okay. Compare here, cost price is 560 and selling price is 630. Which is greater, children? Selling price is greater. Since selling price greater than the cost price. So selling price is greater means we'll get profit. Okay. So we need to use profit. Profit equal to profit formula. Okay. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. What is the formula? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay. Here selling price equal to 630. 630 minus rupees cost price 560. Okay. Now subtract this, children. 630 minus 560. Okay. 630, 560, 0, here borrow it, 5, 13, 13 minus 6, 7, okay, 70 rupees, 70. So profit equal to rupees 70. Okay. Next we need to find out profit or loss percentage. Here we gained only. So we need to find out the profit percentage. Okay. So profit percentage equal to profit percentage equal to, so we have the formula profit by cost price into 100. Okay, here profit is 70 rupees. So 70 by cost price 560. Okay, so 560 into 100. Okay, here cancel 1 0, 1 0 1 0 cancel. Okay, so divide by 2 table, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 16, 8 2s are 16. Here 5 2s are 10. Okay, then next divide by 7 table, 4 7s are 28, 10 7s are 70. Sorry, 10 7s are 70. Okay, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 5 into 5, numerator what is the numbers are there? 5 5s are 25 by 2. When we divide this, what you will get, children? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, keep the decimal and add 0, 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer you are getting, children? 12.5 percentage. Okay, so profit percentage equal to profit percentage equal to 12.5 percentage. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Here cost price equal to rupees 75, loss equal to rupees 6, selling price and loss percentage we are going to find. Okay. First, we know that formula loss equal to cost price minus selling price. What is the formula, children? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. In this loss value we know that and cost price is given. Using this we are going to find the selling price. Okay. Just substitute your value. Loss equal to 6, cost price 75 minus selling price. Okay. Just you transfer this selling price, you bring it this side. Okay. So the negative becomes positive. So selling price equal to 75. This plus 6 will change minus 6. Okay. So selling price equal to 75 minus 6. 75 minus 6, what you will get, children? 69. So selling price equal to rupees 69. Okay. Next we need to find out loss percentage. Okay. So loss percentage equal to loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100. Okay. Here loss 6 rupees. Okay. 6 by cost price 75. 75 into 100. Okay. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. Okay. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now multiply the numerator. 2 4s are 8. So 8 percentage. So loss percentage equal to 8 percentage. Is it clear, children? The next question. Cost price equal to rupees 96. Profit percentage equal to 10 percentage. We need to find out selling price and profit. Okay. So profit percentage is given. So first I am going to take this. Okay. So profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay. So in this I am going to substitute here profit percentage 10 percentage is given. So 10 equal to here profit we are going to find. So keep it as it is. Cost price 96 into 100. Okay. Just cross multiply this. 100 into 96 equal to profit into 100. So we are going to find the profit. Just profit alone keep it here. 100 into 96 by 100. Okay. Now multiply this, what you will get? 960 by 100. Okay. So here the denominator we have two zeros, okay, just you keep the two decimals on the numerator place. So what you will get? Profit equal to 9.60. It means 9 rupees 60 paise. Is it clear, children? So now we found the profit. Next we are going to find the selling price. Okay. So we know the formula, profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Here profit 9.60 equal to selling price we are going to find. So keep it as it is, minus cost price. Cost price 96 rupees. Okay. Just selling price you keep it here 9.60. The negative will change other side positive. So plus 96. Now you add this 96.0, then 9.60. Now add this 6, 15, 10. So what is the answer? Selling price equal to rupees 105.60. It rupees 105 rupees 60 paise. Okay. How you can say this? 105 rupees 60 paise. Profit is 9 rupees 60 paise. Selling price is 105 rupees 60 paise. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Selling price equal to rupees 270 and loss percentage equal to 10. We need to find out cost price and loss. Okay. Here loss percentage is given. Okay. So the cost price equal to cost price and the loss we are going to find it. Okay. So loss equal to loss percentage of selling price. How we are going to find the loss? Loss percentage of selling price. Okay. So here loss percentage is 10. So 10% of selling price. Okay. Here selling price is 10%. How can you write? 10 by 100. Of you replace into, okay, of you replace into selling price 270. 1 0 cancel and this 0 and this one cancel. So what is remaining? Here 1 is there. 1 into 27, 27 rupees. So loss equal to rupees 27. Next we are going to find the cost price. Okay. So cost price equal to, how we are going to find? Selling price plus loss. Okay. So selling price is rupees 270 plus rupees 27. Now you add this, what you will get, children? Rupees 297. So cost price equal to rupees 297. Do you understand, children? See the second sum. A boy buys a bat for rupees 145. Buys. Okay. He bought the bat. Okay. So it represents cost price. And sells it for rupees 162.40. Okay. So 162 rupees 40 paise. Okay. Sells it. So it represents selling price. So find his gain percent. Gain percentage we need to find out. Okay, children. So now compare that cost price and selling price, which is greater here. The selling price is greater. Okay. So since selling price greater than the cost price, so we need to find out the profit. We are getting gain only. Okay. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So here selling price is 162.40 minus the cost price rupees 145. Okay. Now you subtract this 162.40. 145 is a whole number. Keep the dot and add 0. Okay. Subtract 0, 4. Here 2 minus 5 we can't do. 5, it becomes 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 5 minus 4, 1. So, profit equal to rupees 17.40. Is it clear, children? Next, we need to find out the gain percent. Gain percent and profit percentage we need to find out. Okay. So, profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay. Here profit is 17 rupees 40 paise. So, 17.40 divided by cost price 145 into 100. Okay. First you multiply these two. Okay. Here 2 decimals are there. So, 17.40 into 100. When we multiply this, what you will get? 174000. Here 2 decimals are there. So, you want to keep here. Okay. So, what you are getting? 1740 divide by 145. Now, divide by 5 table. Okay. So, 2 5s are 10, 9 5s are 45. 3 5s are 15, remaining 2 24. 4 5s are 20. Then remaining 4, 0 40, 8 5s are 40. Okay. Now 29 ones are 29, 29 12s are 348. Okay. So profit percentage equal to equal to 12 percentage. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.